Hello. Locks stuck together. Mine too. Hello you guys, it's your girl Kyra and welcome to my channel HERBN Locks, and we are going to hop into this today. This is just going to be how I separate my locks. I have not retwisted since January. I've been avoiding this, but I got to go ahead and get this done. So today is the day. Now this may not be the best method, the most gentle method, I don't know, but I'm really going to try to be gentle because I'm used to just going in and just get to ripping. I guess to ripping. So I'm going to try to be more gentle today, but I don't know how that's going to work out. Let me just show you real quickly what we're going to be using. The only thing I'm going to be using today is some regular water. I'm going to really saturate, and some olive oil, just because I feel like this will help provide some good slip. That way I can try to slip the hairs out, but we'll see about that. Okay. And then just for some extra moisture, I have my aloe juice and rose water mixture here, so we'll just spray that sometime. Before we start, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you for coming. Now, let's get into it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I did have a couple shots of this good old Ciroc. You know I'm a Diddy boy. I feel like this is gonna be the main event of the day, you guys. This right here, like, look, oh my goodness. Let me zoom in for you. Y'all, look at this. Let me go ahead and spray her nail. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this olive oil on there too, just so it can marinate. And we're just gonna work section by section. All right, so we're just gonna really saturate. All right, so we got some of our oil. All right, so the first one, we got a good 3 of them, I feel, stuck together. So disclaimer, I'm trying to be gentle about this today, I really am, but y'all, I'm not gonna make any promises. Ooh. Oh, that was easy. Okay. That's it.
True beats.
Okay, so you guys, that was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. A lot easier. Like, I'm very shocked. I'm happy that this is over with. The moral of the story is, if you decide that you want to just go months without retwisting, still wash your hair. Still wash your hair. Wash your locks, but at least go in and separate the locks. I think this time I learned my lesson. So I think from now on, every time I wash, I'm gonna at least separate. That's the least I can do. Because I don't want to have to do this again. Okay? So, yeah. We're good to go now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. If you do have, you know, locks stuck together, married locks, just be as gentle as possible. But at the end of the day, you got to get them apart. Sometimes things get rough. Okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys for the next video.